to his feet. He's at a Muay Thai distance now. Can he get his strikes off?
Let's see what happens. He's now back to his feet. He is very, very tired after that exchange. He was struggling. He was in a bad position for the whole of that first half of the bout. See if Ajan now can do some big strikes.
Oh, smack bang! He dropped him with the left hand. Thank you, mother, for the rabbits. This one's over early, and that man, the towering 21-year-old Ajang, is superb. Has that earned him a contract for one championship? To join the likes of our Chinese megastars, Ma Haobin, Rockman Chen Li, Han Zihao, and world champion Zhong Junnan. It was a phenomenal performance, Cannon.
It was a phenomenal performance indeed. He was dominating with takedowns, grappling. He got the passing guards. He managed to get the back, sink in a rear naked choke attempt. He had a neck crank, loads of different things in his artillery, and he used all of them in a fantastic way. Sensational win there for Ajan.